Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Add 3/4 of a cup of softened butter to a large bowl, along with 1 cup of white granulated sugar, and mix until combined. Next, add 1/4 cup of sour cream or plain yogurt. Add 3 large eggs and mix. Add 1/2 teaspoon of orange extract, 1/2 cup of orange juice, and 2 tablespoons of orange zest, and then mix until just combined. Scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula as necessary. Add 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose or cake flour to a sifter with 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and sift about half of it into the bowl. Stir with a spatula until incorporated. Then add the rest of the dry ingredients and mix until combined. The cake batter is ready to go. Pour the cake batter into a greased and floured 5 by 9 inch loaf pan and make sure to scrape it all in with a spatula. Give the pan a tap or two to settle the batter. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes until a toothpick or wooden skewer comes out clean when poked in the center. If it is getting too brown on the top, cover it with foil. Let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes, then use a cake spatula around the edges or butter knife so it removes easily, and place it on a wire rack to cool completely. Slice and serve. I don't normally frost this cake, but you certainly can if you like. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.